Dear students, when you will see, you will watch the video related to special characters, superscript and subscript. Then you will find about superscript, subscript and special characters. So this is a tutorial video for superscript, subscript and special characters, how we will use them in our web page, in our HTML documents. So let's start. As I have told you earlier that we have to start, we have to create an HTML document in a word processor like Notepad and WordPad. So we have to start like this from here, and Notepad will open before us. Another way I have told you that you can use all programs and then accessories, and then you will see the Notepad. You can open Notepad from here also, but I have created already created the HTML document related to superscript and subscript and special characters. So I want to I am going to show you what is, how you will use them. So first of all, we will know about superscript and subscript. Just see, you can see like here. It has been, though it has been explained in the video, but I am showing you how you will use. Good morning, dear students. This is the format. This is already given, and this is fundamental tags which we have to use when we want to create any HTML document. So this is the process, and this is an initial process. You must know about it. Good morning, dear students. This is another sample web page. This will demonstrate the use superscript and subscript. Superscript means if you want any algebraic expressions like x square plus y square or a square plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, like this square or cube, if you want algebraic expression, then you have to use superscript. And if you want like H2O, K2SO4, this is called chemical bond, chemical formulas. If you want to write down, then you have to use subscript. Subscripts for making the characters down, and superscript for making the characters up. This is the thing which you have to mind it. So now start with us. The chemical formula for water is H2O, you know. So H should be written like this, then sub, because this is chemical formula. You want to make 2 down from H, okay, and O also. So that is why you have to write down sub and mind it. This is the container tag. You have to close it, open it and close it. 2 and sub and then 0. And to represent an algebraic expressions, we can use superscript. For example, x square. So we want to write down. We want to write down in our web page x square plus y square. So x should be written down in a common, in general form, and then superscript 2, superscript close, and then plus y and superscript 2 and then close superscript 2. Now we will see the result. I have told you that I have saved it on a particular location, and I am going to show you where it is. This is third. Now you will just see what you can see. Now H2O, first of all we have to see H2O. 2 is given in a lower form, you can say in down form, and you can see x square, 2 is given upper and y is given upper. So that is why, because it is so, because it is given in superscript, and this is because it is given in subscript. Subscript means down and superscript means up. Now the next thing which we are going to know about special characters. Suppose we want to use in our HTML document, like angle bracket means smaller than, greater than, sometimes we want to use, and sometimes we want to use only and sign we want to use. Then we have to use some particular codes. So what kind of codes are there, we are going to know. Now we will see. What? These are special characters and how we will use them. Now, just see. Good morning, dear students. This is another sample web page which will be demonstrating the use of special characters. The use of special characters and PR. Now, P. This is P tag, means paragraph. We are going to start over here. And then, and sign LT. This is smaller than. Just mind it. And sign LT and semicolon. It means it will show smaller than. And this is a word which we want to keep, which we want to put in angle bracket. And then a smaller than sign has come. Now greater than sign is required. And for greater than sign, we have to use and sign and GT and semicolon. And again, if we want to use only and sign, then if you are using and sign in your HTML document, means in your notepad, and you want to show in web page, that will not be shown. You have to use the code. What code? And sign and AMP semicolon. This you have to use. Now we are going to see the result. So just see what is the result. I am going to show you. This is the result. Now you will see. Just see. I am also showing you the good morning, dear. Now you can see and has been kept in angle bracket, means smaller than and greater than. And again you can see smaller than means and sign LT semicolon. Greater than means and sign GT semicolon. And only for and sign you have to use and sign and AMP and semicolon. This you have to use for special characters. If anywhere you want to use smaller than or greater than, then you have to use this special code for special characters. Thank you and have a nice day, my dear students.